So to back knit, you find the stitch and the left leg of the stitch, a little bit fiddly, see that leg of the stitch, and you pull that off. Now the same with that, the left leg of the stitch, and you pull it off. Left leg of the stitch, pull it off. Left leg of the stitch, pull it off. Left leg, pull it off. Left leg, pull it off. Now you've come to a yarn over, so you just put the yarn over at the back because you don't want that now. Left leg of the stitch. Now you come to a 3 together or a 2 together. This one's a slip stitch, so I'm just getting the slip stitch and putting it back on the needle. Then where it's knit 2 together, I'm going through both stitches in the left legs and pulling the stitch off, and I get 2 on there. Put the slip stitch back over. Left leg again, pull it off. Undo the yarn over and just keep going back along your row. See, I'm getting a few stitches on that side. Comes with a little practice. Try again. Left leg, see, right underneath the needle, pull off. Left leg, pull off. Left leg, pull off, undo the yarn over. Left leg, pull off. Come to another slip one there, so I'm going to undo a slip one, put it onto the needle that way, go through the knit 2 together through the left and pull that off. Slip the slip stitch back on. Obviously this is a different pattern, but it gives you the idea. So yeah, you just carry on until you get to the beginning of your row or where you made your mistake. I have back knitted several rows in the past because I didn't want to take it off my needles when you've got lots of stitches on, because nightmare to put back on your needle. Oh, slip the slip stitch back onto your needle, go through the double, knit 2 together, put 2 stitches back onto your needle, slip the slip stitch onto the needle. It's gotten a bit tight. I'm on a sleeve here, it's a bit of a pain. Sleeves are a pain. Now you see I managed to get 2 off together there, so what I would do is, that's the back end. Now if I drop that, I'm going to have a loop at the back. So what I do is I get that loop at the back and slip the stitch over, and that's my stitch back again. There you go, and I'm sort of back to where I want to be actually. I'll just leave it there because I want to do a yarn over and a knit 1. And then a slip 1, knit 2 together, pass the slip stitch over. This is a different pattern, but you can see what I mean. and then I'm just going back and finding my pattern. Now you see I've taken the stitch off a bit skew-iff, so I just do the same again and pull the stitch through. There you go, so that I'm in pattern. Where are we? Yes, so I can do pattern now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, knit 1, etc, etc. So I hope that helps to get you back to where you think you went wrong. Yeah,